Welcome to Aloe YouTube channel. If you new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button to get more video just like this you about to see. And hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Hope you enjoy our video.
已经好几年不沾一滴酒，但今夜我和你最放手。你说人活一世，草木一秋，束缚别那么多。海中央，我们的船开始晃悠，风雷惊动把弗洛夫的狗，海浪用冲击甲板的动作。 提醒我该汹涌，在海上倾盆大雨里，在荒野紧紧抱住你，心满意足这样沉。
For coming. My brother was supposed to give a speech, but he's proven unable to present a positive message. So, instead, I will introduce our wedding video myself. Please enjoy the story of how Margaret and I met and fell in love.
This is my acting class. Here's my husband. Are you okay?
I think so. This is how they met.
Why can't you see me?
Margaret, you in danger, girl.
Our love knows no bounds. We are both ghosts, now and forever.
Thanks you for viewing our video. If you got any new idea for our channel video contents, please leave comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, consider to click like, and if you not subscribed to our channel, consider to subscribe right now. Thanks you very much. I will see you next time.